Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Openrock X Earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset. So here we are now in the Openrock application and here in the main menu for headphones we have the equalizer here. Let's switch to custom one with this arrow and let's tap on the custom. Here now we have a lot of dots. Here we have frequencies, which is the hertz, and here we have the decibels and the boost to the decibels or the remover. Here we can move the dots upwards or downwards. As you can see, I've created some anomaly. Don't listen to music with this equalizer. And here we have to save. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.